You've been eating garlic wrong your entire life. There's one simple mistake that destroys 90% of its healing power, and I'm about to show you exactly how to fix it in the next few minutes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Robert. Today, we are diving deep into something that could revolutionize your health routine: a simple glass of garlic-infused water consumed daily for an entire month. But here's the catch: preparation matters more than you think. The power of garlic. Let's talk about why garlic deserves a spot in your daily routine. This humble kitchen staple packs a serious medicinal punch that most people completely overlook. First up, your immune defenses. Garlic acts like a natural shield against invaders. We're talking about powerful antimicrobial properties that tackle bacteria, including the notorious antibiotic-resistant strains like E. coli and MRSA that hospitals struggle with. It doesn't stop there. Fungal infections, particularly Candida overgrowth that causes all sorts of digestive havoc. Garlic helps control that too. During flu season, garlic becomes your secret weapon. It fights off influenza, common cold viruses, and even herpes outbreaks. The moment you feel that tickle in your throat or that first sign of a cold coming on, that's your signal to reach for garlic. Cardiovascular benefits. Now, let's discuss something that affects millions: blood pressure and heart health. The research here is genuinely impressive. Regular garlic consumption has been shown to reduce systolic pressure by 7 to 16 points and diastolic by 5 to 9 points. That's comparable to some medications, but without the side effects. Here's how it works. Garlic boosts nitric oxide activity in your body. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps your blood vessels relax and expand. This improved flexibility in your arteries makes blood flow smoother and easier. There's another mechanism at play too. Garlic functions similarly to ACE inhibitor drugs. These medications block angiotensin, a hormone that constricts blood vessels. When your body produces too much angiotensin, blood pressure climbs. Garlic naturally moderates this process without the pharmaceutical side effects. Plus, garlic reduces platelet stickiness. Platelets are the tiny components in blood that form clots. While clotting is essential when you're injured, excessive clotting can be dangerous. Garlic helps maintain the perfect balance. Metabolic health. Let's shift to metabolic health, a massive concern in today's world. Garlic directly impacts insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for preventing and managing diabetes. Studies demonstrate that garlic consumption lowers fasting insulin and glucose levels. There's even a measurement called HOMA-I that doctors use to assess insulin resistance. Garlic improves this marker significantly, meaning your cells become more responsive to insulin. Beyond blood sugar, garlic helps reduce waist circumference and improves lipid profiles. It also combats non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition affecting millions who don't even realize they have it. Cholesterol and inflammation. Speaking of lipids, let's address cholesterol. Garlic helps lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Now, before you think all cholesterol is evil, understand that your body manufactures cholesterol for important reasons. It's part of your healing response. The real danger isn't LDL itself, but oxidized, damaged LDL. When inflammation damages these particles, they become harmful. Garlic fights inflammation and oxidative stress, which are the root causes of most chronic diseases: heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and more. By reducing inflammation, garlic promotes the formation of large, fluffy LDL particles instead of the small, dense, dangerous ones. This is a game changer for cardiovascular health. Gut health. Your digestive system also benefits tremendously. Garlic contains prebiotics, specifically fructans, that feed your beneficial gut bacteria. Your body can't digest these fibers, but your microbiome loves them. Here's something fascinating: garlic's antimicrobial properties actually help balance your gut bacteria. It selectively targets harmful species while supporting beneficial ones. However, I need to be honest about something. Some people experience digestive improvements with garlic, while others experience bloating and discomfort. If garlic bothers your stomach, you might be FODMAP sensitive or dealing with SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. This doesn't mean garlic is bad. It just means your gut bacteria need rebalancing. First, detoxification support. Garlic also supports your liver's detoxification pathways. The sulfur compounds in garlic are essential for phase 2 liver detoxification. During this phase, your liver attaches molecules to toxins, making them water-soluble so your body can eliminate them. These same sulfur compounds boost glutathione production, your body's master antioxidant. This is critical for protecting your cells from damage. The allicin secret now. Here's the critical part. Most people miss the most powerful compound in garlic is called allicin. But here's the twist: raw garlic doesn't actually contain allicin. It contains two separate compounds, allicin, an amino acid, and alliinase, an enzyme. These are stored in different cellular compartments. When you crush garlic, these compartments break open, and the enzyme converts allicin into allicin. This is where the magic happens. Allicin is the only compound that provides antimicrobial benefits. Everything else, circulation support, arterial flexibility, antioxidant properties, comes from other compounds that allicin breaks down. In 2, preparation mistakes. Here's why most people fail to get garlic's full benefits. Allicin is extremely unstable. It requires oxygen to form initially, taking about 7 to 10 minutes to reach peak concentration. Then it starts degrading rapidly. Heat above 60 C1 for OF destroys it instantly. Slicing or chopping garlic isn't enough. You're not breaking enough cell walls to release all the allicin. You need to use a garlic press to maximize allicin production. If you cook garlic immediately after cutting it, you destroy the allicin before it even forms. This is why cooked garlic, while delicious, provides different benefits than raw garlic. How to make garlic water properly? Let me give you the exact protocol for maximum benefits. Take 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves and crush them thoroughly in a garlic press. Set them aside at room temperature for 7 to 10 minutes. This waiting period is non-negotiable. It allows the allicin to form. After waiting, add the crushed garlic to cold or lukewarm water. Never hot water. Body temperature or cooler is ideal. Drink this mixture within 30 to 45 minutes. After that window, the potency drops significantly. The water does protect the allicin from oxygen, extending its life somewhat, but don't wait too long. If floating garlic pieces bother you, let the crushed garlic sit in the water for 2 to 5 minutes, then strain it. Allicin is water soluble and will have dissolved into the liquid. Want to enhance this further? Add a squeeze of fresh lemon. You'll get combined benefits from both ingredients. Cooked garlic benefits. Don't abandon cooked garlic entirely. While cooking destroys allicin, the breakdown compounds still provide cardiovascular, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory benefits. I personally use raw garlic for immune support and add generous amounts to nearly every dish I cook for the other health advantages. What to expect in 30 days. So what happens if you commit to this 30-day challenge? Many people report improved circulation, especially warmer hands and feet. If you suffer from cold extremities, this could be a revelation. Blood pressure often normalizes, but only if it's elevated. Unlike medications that can drop pressure too low, garlic works intelligently with your body. Digestive changes are common. These might be positive or negative. If negative, you've learned valuable information about your gut health. Breathing often improves, clearer sinuses, and easier respiration are frequently reported benefits. Energy levels and mental clarity tend to increase as well. If you get blood work done, you might see improvements in glucose, insulin, and triglycerides. Starting this during cold and flu season? You might breeze through without getting sick when everyone around you is sniffling. Because garlic reduces systemic inflammation, some people notice decreased joint pain and stiffness. Here is my challenge to you: commit to 30 days of garlic water prepared exactly as I have described. Track your results and let me know in the comments how it goes. I read every single comment and love hearing your success stories. If you found this information valuable, you will definitely want to check out my next video on natural blood pressure solutions that doctors don't tell you about. Click the video on your screen right now. And if you are serious about understanding how your body actually works so you can make informed decisions about your health instead of just following trends, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release new evidence-based health content every week that could literally change your life. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when you apply it. Start your garlic water routine tomorrow morning. Your body will thank you. I'm Dr. Robert, and I'll see you in the next video.